What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
I'm Daddy's son.
Kick Talk.
And today we're kick talking about
a shoe I really want to get my hands on. I always say that. But this is another one, man. It's a banger.
Yeah.
It is the Nike SB Dunk Low Why So Sad shoe.
Why so sad?
Why so sad? It's a good story, big valiant effort behind this shoe. Can't wait to get into it. But before we do, Nigel, if it's the first time here,
y'all need to ring that notification bell because y'all need to know where to go to get the shoes that you want to wear. And that's all I got to say there.
okay. With that, we just gonna move right along. Thanks, Nigel.
For sure.
All right, so let's just get right into the box, into the shoe. We get right into it. One thing I'll say about this shoe, though, well, the box itself, typical Nike SB shoe, but on this side, there's a QR code, right, that takes you right to the foundation for Why So Sad. And then I'll tell you all about that in the next second.
It's a foundation.
Yeah, let's talk about this shoe here, the Why So Sad Nike SB Dunk. Right?
This feels like a mystery.
It's a mystery to you.
I got a lot of questions.
I know you do. I'll get to some answers.
Okay.
Why so sad, right? I first heard about this shoe and I was like, why is it called the Why So Sad? I don't get it.
Why?
I don't get it. Why so sad on the back of the tongue? Why so sad, right? The Why So Sad Foundation is a foundation started by, he's a Scottish skateboarder named John Rattray, right? He started this foundation in 2016, and the concept behind the shoe, or I guess the cause behind the shoe, is mental health and suicide prevention, awareness, and all of that. So he's a skateboarder. He's Scottish.
Yeah.
Back in 2016, he started this whole mission after losing his sister, right? I think it was to depression and suicide. But he started doing all kinds of projects to raise funds and awareness that led to the creation of the foundation. He did like a 100-mile bike ride at a point. And the kind of mission behind, or the message behind the shoe, is that exercise, right? Moving, skateboarding, is an SB Dunk, obviously. All that kind of stuff can help with depression and mental health, right? You get moving. There's actually a little little inscriptions on the shoe itself.
Right.
You see the little logo, the
duck,
the little penguin on here, or the pigeon, that bird. One of them he's skateboarding, on another one he's on a bike.
That's what I was confused about. Like, why is there a duck skateboarding on the shoe?
Yeah, it's called the PREDATORY bird. This is like kind of logo type deal.
That's good though. That's tough.
Yeah, so this was, so there's a lot of message behind this, and the actual, like I said, on the box itself, on the QR code, that actually takes you to the Nike SB Why So Sad page. You get more information on it. There's a lot of stories and accounts from other people about, their backstory and how the foundation, I think, has helped them. And actually, portion of the sales proceeds going to mental health awareness and to the foundation as well.
Good.
From
So
Nike.
y'all check that out too.
Yeah, check that out. So the shoe itself, it's a clean SB.
It is. It's tough, yeah.
You got navy blue, and then this kind of the light university blue, Carolina blue. Everything now is just straight up Jordan related, university blue. Yep. So you got a navy blue suede along the shoe. You got some light blue leather. You got their question mark on the back of the heel, which is
the why.
That's kind of, because it's a question, right? Why so sad?
Yeah.
So he's really asking that question, with the shoe. Why so sad? Why are you so sad?
Yeah.
And then exercise can help, but also talking about issues, right? Because they want to fight depression and people dealing with all kinds of issue.
Yeah.
But there's a little wear away on the swoosh. You can see like a yellow layer on the edges.
Yeah.
So this can wear away to expose more yellow there.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Don't let's not wear away.
Sorry.
Yeah, so you see the penguin, the bird on the bike there. Right, and on the other one again, just skateboarding. Got an icy blue outsole.
I love that.
Yeah, the
Always.
clear outsole is definitely fire. Yeah, and then you got your Nike SB in this red and yellow, and Why So Sad with the question mark matching on the heel of the shoe.
On the inside of the tongue.
Yep.
You got the Why So Sad.
Yep. As well as on the insole of the shoe, you got Why So Sad.
Oh, I got some laces here. I can't see that. Oh, you have Why So Sad. I have the duck doing a skateboarding trick. Look at this.
Oh, is he doing a trick?
Yeah.
I think that trick is called like the sad grab.
Is that called the sad grab? That's a thing?
I think that's actually a thing. I've read
Wow.
that. hearing about the, reading about that, just kind of researching the shoe.
Yeah. That's some good symbolism.
Yeah,
Tough.
there's a lot of tie-ins to the
Yeah.
message, to the message behind his foundation and the shoe, and what he's trying to do, which I think is great, right? I mean, mental health is a big push for people to talk and deal with issues. 20, 30 years ago, it definitely wasn't a thing. It was things that people kept kind of tucked in, but over the years, people have become more comfortable and is less stigmatized talking about their mental situations going on. So
good.
if anybody out there is feeling any kind of way, make sure you're talking to somebody, right? Because that's a good thing. Don't keep it bottled up, because we know that can lead to negativity.
Also, therapy is a good thing. If you facing some mental challenges as well, you might want to go talk to like a professional that can really
That's right.
give you some stuff that
help.
they've studied that they know can actually help you out. So
Yep, let's normalize therapy, y'all. It's
Yeah.
not a bad thing.
it really isn't.
So yeah, it has the navy laces as well.
Yep.
To go with the white laces. I think the navy would go hard on these
I agree. These are tough.
because the white.
Oh, look on the laces.
Oh yeah.
On the
there's-
what's it called?
On the aglets.
On the aglets, you got the one more logo on here, the question mark.
Yep.
Finally on the laces.
There you go. On the aglets. Is it on the blue ones as well?
Is it on the? Let's see. They
I
got this
can't
like
see. Oh.
tied up with the laces.
Don't untie it.
Hold on. If I could find an aglet,
You'd have to pull
it's
the whole
like
thing
a
apart.
needle in a haystack right in the middle here.
Yeah, don't worry.
Oh, there we go.
You got
Yep, you got the white question mark on the aglets right there.
it. Okay. And yellow on the white ones.
Yep,
Yeah, I mean, overall, really clean shoe.
it is.
Simplistic.
It's solid.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
solid. Navy blue, light blue, yellow, white. You got the white midsole, clear icy blue outsole. You got the red SB on the bottom of the shoe. And we got the zoom under the bottom of that insole. If I can get it out. It's tight in there. There we go.
The zoom.
Yeah, the zoom.
Oh yeah.
The zoom pouch
Yep.
in the back.
So it's a good athletic shoe too.
Yeah.
So you could really do the stuff that they want you to do with the shoe.
Get your skateboard on, get your
Yeah.
bike on. I probably won't bike or skateboard in these though, because I want to keep them fresh.
True that. Yeah.
I mean, hence, kind of what I do.
But they are SB, so if you're a skateboarder, then here you go. You're not gonna skateboard in these particularly, but you might skateboard in like something else. Daddy Seed,
Nah,
Daddy Hawk.
that if Daddy C falls, that's not good for anybody. So yeah, we're not getting on these skateboards.
Too nice though.
I get on a snowboard, something like that.
You get
feel
on a
me?
snowboard.
Yeah, that's easy because you're falling in the
I don't
snow.
even know if I
don't want to fall
True
on
that.
concrete and asphalt. I can't
Facts.
do that.
But
I
skiing,
might break a hip.
would you ski?
Ski? Yeah, love skiing. We just
real?
got to get to the snow. 'Cause we
I'm
don't-
trying to go.
You trying to do that?
Yeah.
All right, might be something for the wintertime. We get your mom in there. She's anti-skis.
Mom got the skiing PTSD.
She does, from years and years and years ago. Y'all getting ready for the wintertime, taking some trips, get some exercise. That's what John Rattray and Why So Sad is telling us.
Yep.
Get outside, get some air, clear your head.
And
right?
it helps, for real, it does help.
Right. And then again, why so sad? Why you so sad? Tell us all about it. So tell us what you think about the shoe. What's your rating on it? Where do you go from 1 to 10?
Yeah, how you feeling, Daddy Seed?
For myself, I think this shoe, I'd give it. It's a dope shoe.
Yeah.
It's very simplistic.
Uh-huh.
So I'd give it an 8.5.
I think I'm right about that too.
It's
Yeah.
not like boom, it's great, but
Yeah.
it's cool.
It's good. It's a good shoe.
Yeah.
It's solid.
Good
Right.
staple, having a
Exactly.
collection.
Yeah.
Boom.
And there's meaning behind it too.
I do love the meaning. I
Yeah.
definitely love that because, again, proceeds from it going to benefit people and their mission. That's great. That's what I think.
And I agree. 8.
8?
I like it. Yeah.
8.5?
Yeah.
Boom. All right, that's where we at with this shoe. Hit us in the
That's
comments.
right.
Hit me on Instagram at RealDaddySeed. Instagram, Twitter, what's the other ones? TikTok.
All of them.
All of them.
Yeah.
All of them. Make sure y'all hit that sub button, that bell. Do all the things. Share. Tell a friend. Tell your family.
I think they got enough on their
You got
bucket
it?
list.
All right, we'll see you on the
Thank
next
you.
one, y'all. Peace.